Okay guys, I think you know what time it is. That's right, it's my aquarium box time. This is the October saltwater unboxing. We're not going to waste any time. I think you know the drill. Want to find out more? Go right there. Available in the US and in the UK. So I've got my trusty pocket knife. Let's go ahead and crack this open. Let's see what we got this month. As always, you're going to find some literature on top. All the offerings from Sierra. This is something Zoomed. We got one of these last month, I think, or the month before. Also tried one of these in one of these boxes. Pretty cool. So check that out. Then we are getting, this is usually double-sided, but it looks like some reason it's on 2 pages this time. So here we go. We got a small business spotlight for Big On Fish. And this is their website. Pretty cool. Go check it out. They got some prizes that they do each month. You could win a mega box sponsored by Marineland and A Aquatics and Bob's Aquariums. Congratulations. The Facebook winner, John L. Good for you. And looks like they're going to be at the Aquatic Experience in Chicago. I won't be able to make that, but if you're out there, go check them out, booth 519. And then we always hide the top because we don't want to know what's in here yet. About to take a look. These are all the sponsors that you don't be surprised if you find one of their products in the box. All right, into the good stuff. I don't know what this is. All right, I think this is a airline tube clipper, maybe? Some kind of a clipper for sure, maybe for RO. No idea, I have to look at the box for that one. Usually I can figure it out, but clipper of some kind. All right. And what is this? Stick touch lamp. Oh, an LED lamp with batteries even. Very nice. Pretty handy to put underneath of your sump or wherever else you need an extra light. So you click it on and off. That'll definitely come in handy. Put that to some use. Refractometer calibration standard. Hey, not a bad thing to have. You know, you need to calibrate your refractometers, make sure you're getting good readings. So, it'd be good to use. I don't remember when the last time was I recalibrated mine, so I'll have to give that a shot. Looks like we've got some ceramic biomedia. So we're going right into the sump. So this is for your biological filtration. Ceramic media works well. Used it in the past. And what else we got? And we've got a, oh, it looks like one of those canisters for your RODI unit or your carbon filter. This is actually not a bad idea, I think. Just to see, make sure this fits in the ones I've got. I've got the BRS units, if that is what this is. This could actually be nice to fill this up ahead of time and just have a spare handy and then just swap it out. Yeah, that'd be pretty cool. It's a good idea. And let's double check that we are correct. Ceramic biomedia, yep. Calibration fluid, yep. It was a tubing cutter, yep. DI carbon cartridge. And the push light. Good stuff. So again, here's all of the products lined up for us. And that was the saltwater box for this month. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.